Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I love to craft. Today I'm going to show you the top Amazon Prime Day deals for crafters. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the very last day of Amazon Prime Day deals for 2026. I'm so excited. I have all of the tabs already pulled up. This is going to be a very random list, so stick with us and let's go ahead and get into today's deals. First deal that we have is a 3-pack of the silicone mats. These are 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches. They do come in 3 different colors. It does look like this one right here is the cheapest deal. It's $6.39, and it does come in blue, rose red, and green, but they also come in blue, purple, yellow, and also black, gray, and beige. These silicone mats are perfect for whenever you are maybe ink blending and you don't want to ruin your surface. All that you have to do is wash it off or just wipe it down with a baby wipe. Or if you're using your hot glue gun and you don't want those little beads of glue to drip down on your desk, just set your hot glue gun on top of the silicone mat and then you just pick off the glue once it dries. All right, let's move on to the next deal. The next deal is for jewelry making. I have been making tons of jewelry lately and I have showcased it on my shorts here on YouTube. This is a 1200 piece jump rings. It does come with some tools as well, such as the tweezers and also the pliers. So not only does it come with the jump rings, it also comes with lobster clasps as well. I love how they do have a pack of gold and silver because sometimes I love my gold jewelry, but I also want to wear silver as well. So this is the perfect pack to pick up. They do have a few different variations, so if you don't need the tools, then you can definitely pick up this one. It has different tones of that silver and gold and bronze as well. They also have a pack of all gold and all silver. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $5.59. Let's go ahead and move on to the next deal. The next deal is also for jewelry making. These are the 8mm glass beads. Jewelry making is so much fun. If you have not tried it before, definitely dabble into it a little bit. This kit does come with 2,276 pieces and it is currently on Prime Day deal for $25.25. They do also have a 6mm, and this one is currently on Prime Day deal for $22.09. These glass beads are perfect for earrings, necklaces, bracelets, even anklets, which I want to totally bring those back. Anklets remind me of like the early 2000s, so I definitely want to try to make me one for this summer. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next deal. This is 20,000 pieces of the clay beads kit. So it comes with a lot of pieces, a lot of different colors. I love how they added in the alphabet, and it does come in that gold and white as well. They have smiley faces, hearts, a bunch of different charms, that way that you can add them onto your bracelets or necklaces. It even comes with the string, the scissors, some earrings. This is like a whole entire kit that if you want to just dabble a little bit into jewelry making, this is the perfect kit to pick up. It has everything that you need to get started. It's currently on Prime Day deal for $16.99. Let's go ahead and move on to the next deal. So this right here is a button maker. I personally have one in my craft room and I absolutely love it. You can make buttons for all different occasions, like Teacher Appreciation Week. We made the boys' teachers some cute little teacher buttons. But you can make cute little buttons and hand them out to all of your family and friends. Even if you are wanting to start a small business, this is the perfect machine to pick up. It comes with everything that you need. I know once graduation rolls around, everyone wants those graduate buttons, and so these are the perfect size. These are 2.25 inches. It's super easy to set up. I do have an unboxing and setup video on my channel, just in case you're wanting to check it out. It does come in a couple different sizes. They do have round ones, they do have square ones. I think, yep, they even have a heart one. This one currently is on Prime Day deal for $33.98. It does come with 100 pieces. Again, everything that you need to get started is in this kit. All right, for the next Prime Day deal is a printer. So if you are into scrapbooking and you want a really good printer, I highly recommend this one. I have this one in my craft room. I also have converted one to a sublimation printer. I highly recommend that you look up tons of videos before you even attempt to do that. For me personally, I watched a good video. It was very easy. I have not had any issues with converting it to a sublimation printer. I know some people say yes, go for it, and some people say no, so it's definitely just a preference. But if you're looking to use it as just a regular printer, then this is definitely the one to go. This printer is cartridge free and you can order those bottles of refillable ink, and so that is what I do as well. The ink lasts a very long time. It is currently on Prime Day deal for $208.99. The next Prime Day deal is a embroidery machine. So I know that this is a very high price. However, embroidery machines are very, very expensive. Personally, I have a Brother PE 800 embroidery machine in my craft room. I did have a Genome, however, I did get rid of it just because I didn't need 2 embroidery machines at one time. This one does come with 4 embroidery hoops and the thread. It looks like it is a whole entire kit. It has everything that you need to get started, those mini scissors, bobbins. Again, it does come with those hoops, and it does come with gift cards to So Fancy. So Fancy is a cute little embroidery website. They have tons of designs that are just super cute. It does look like it comes with some needles and pins, scissors, a trimmer. Yeah, just basically everything that you need to get started with your embroidery. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $499.99. Another accessory that you would definitely need for embroidery is some embroidery thread. This pack does come with 63 colors. It does look like it is a good variety of colors, that way that you can pretty much embroider any project. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $34.01. They do have another Prime Day deal as well. This one is currently for 63 colors plus 20 holders. So those holders wrap around the spool of the thread and it keeps the thread all together. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $41.17. Now, whenever you are embroidering, the best thing that you can buy is tearaway stabilizer. Tearaway stabilizer makes it so much easier. That way that you don't have to fussy cut around non-tearaway stabilizer. Makes your projects go by so much faster. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $11.84. It is a 10-inch by 25 yards roll. So that is a huge roll. I have bought one of these before. This is a really good brand. I think I've actually bought probably 2 of these so far, but I have tried out several different brands. I just love tearaway stabilizer. It saves so much time, especially whenever you are making several different projects. All right, for the next Amazon Prime Day deal, it is a Brother sewing machine. I do have this one in my craft room as well. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $127.30. It does have 60 built-in stitches, a LCD display, and it does have 7 feet included. They do have other options that you can buy, but they're not on Prime deal, so we're just going to go ahead and move past that. The next thing that you would probably need is some pre-wound bobbins. Everyone says that you can wind your bobbins. I've tried it several times, but it does mess up the tension issue, and I just, I don't really have time to be stopping to try to figure out what's the issue. So whenever I'm embroidering a bunch of projects, I just buy this box. It's pre-wound, it's ready to go. It does come with 144 pre-wound bobbins. They are currently on Prime Day deal for $15.99. It does say in the description that it is for embroidery. However, I do use this in my Brother's sewing machine and I have no issues, so I think that they are compatible. Next Prime Day deal is pre-cut fabric. So Hobby Lobby is probably my #1 place to go now since Joann's is closed. Michael's would probably be my second pick. Our local Michael's has a very slim selection of fabric right now, and with Hobby Lobby having a rotating deal every other week, I just like to pick it up from Amazon. So this one is currently on Prime Day deal for $13.39. You do get 8 pieces. These are fat quarters, which are 20-inch by 20-inch pre-cut squares. These are perfect for quilting, or if you are doing applique on your embroidery machine, these are the perfect packs to pick up. There are several different colors. They even have like Christmas, a blue floral and polka dot, animals, a bunch of flowers. That one is so cute. I might add that one to my cart shortly. They even have some solids. And then the next Amazon Prime Day deal is 50 pieces of 10-inch by 10-inch pre-cut fat squares. These are currently on Prime Day deal for $12.33. This is a solid pack, and look how many colors that you get. That is so many. Let's see, they also have different options, so you can definitely get those florals and polka dots as well. That one is currently on Prime Day deal for $14.39, and then the other pack is also $14.39 on Prime Day deal. The next deal is a jelly roll. These are pre-cut strips for quilting. I also use them for applique as well. I like to get one of these right here. That way that you have a bunch of different colors. This one's currently on Prime Day deal for $24.64. Most of my applique is small for like a 5 t-shirt and lower, and so that is why I'm able to buy these little strips. These are 2.5 inches by 44 inches. And it does come with 40 strips. Alright, I told y'all it's going to get pretty random, so next prom day deal is going to be for mini glue sticks. This is a 200 pack. I go through a lot of hot glue, especially with making signs for the front door, attaching faux flowers, anything like that. So this one's currently on Prime Day deal for $15.19, and these are the clear glue sticks. So it is compatible with most mini glue guns. I have 2 different brands of glue guns, and these mini sticks do fit both. So I would say that they are pretty compatible. Alright, for the next Prime Day deal, this is a double-sided magnetic whiteboard. So it is 36 inches by 24 inches. It is currently on Prime Day deal for $31.99. They do have several different options. Let's see, they have one that has a black outline, and then they have a 2-pack as well. That one is currently on Prom Day deal for $53.58. They also have different sizes as well. Now, whenever you buy a dry erase board, you're also going to need the accessories to go with it. They do have many different packs down here. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $13.59. It does come with the markers, the whiteboard care, the eraser, and also that acrylic holder. That way that you have all of your accessories all in one spot. Now, whenever you do buy a magnetic whiteboard, this would be the perfect accessory because it does have magnets on the back. That way that you can attach it to your whiteboard. Let's scroll through the pictures here. There it is. So again, it is perfect for that magnetic whiteboard that we just showed. For the next Amazon Prime Day deal, I love a good cork board. So this one is a combo. You have that dry erase and the cork board. So let's say that you are trying to come up with some crafting ideas for the week. You can list them out on your dry erase board and then also add inspiration pictures to your cork board. So this is definitely a great combo, or if you just need something for like groceries, or you're just looking to add a calendar or maybe some pictures from what you have done, throughout the year. This is definitely that perfect combo to go with. This one is currently on Prime Day deal for $39.94. It is a 36 by 24 inches, and this one is a magnetic board as well. It does come in 2 different trims, black and gold. The gold is on Prime Day deal for $40.79. For the next Prime Day deal, of course, we do need some cute accessories. These are push pins. They are sunflowers. It comes in a assorted pack. These are currently on Prime Day deal for $4.93. So if you do end up getting the combo board, then these are some cute accessories to add to that. For the next Prime Day deal, these are self-adhesive laminating sheets. I like to laminate pictures. I also like to laminate flashcards for my boys. That way that whenever they are learning like multiplication facts, division, even Brady, he is reading, so we have words that he can start spelling and all kinds of things. So self-laminating packs are super easy to use. You don't need to worry about the laminator. Of course, with a laminator, the sheets are a little bit more sturdy. With these are maybe a little bit more flimsy. I have used these in the past, but they are absolutely amazing. These are currently on Prime Day deal for $19.54. This is a 180 pack, and these are 9-inch by 12-inch sheets. So these are bigger than just a regular piece of copy paper. That way that you can trim down the edges as well. For the next Prime Day deal, I love shaker cards. There is nothing that brings me more joy than adding a little bit of filler to a card, and so I wanted to add these deals in there. If you love making cards like me, this is the perfect Prime Day deal for you. It does come in many different packs. However, this one is currently on Prime Day deal for $6.39. It does come with 20 pieces. These are dimensional shaker domes, and on the back, you just take off a little piece of the backing, and it is self-adhesive. Alright, let's move on to the next Prime Day deal. This is a 50 pack of the flat shaker covers. So if you don't want that 3D dome, these are perfect as well. This is currently on Prime Day deal for $7.19. Again, 50 pack, you can't go wrong. There's many different sizes in here. Here's an example of how they have used that flat shaker cover. So again, they added that filler in there, and then they made a circle card. Let's see, a slimline card. Okay, they have some really good examples on here. For the next Prime Day deal, this one is a clear plastic shaker dome, and it also comes with the dies. So you can make at least 10 cards with this pack. It comes with 10 shaker domes, and then it comes with the dies as well. And they have some pretty cute accessories here. Look at how beautiful that card is. I just absolutely love it. This one's currently on Prime Day deal for $7.99. Whenever you are making shaker cards, of course, you need that filler. So here is a great example. This is currently a Christmas pack. I love a good chunky sprinkle. So this one is currently on Prime Day deal for $9.49, and you do get 12 bottles. Look at all of those different varieties in there. They are so pretty. I'm so excited for Christmas. We have a bunch of Christmas in July cards coming to our channel, so be on the lookout. The next to last Prime Day deal is alcohol markers. I've talked about them in a previous video. However, alcohol markers are the best markers that you can get for card making. I do have the Ohuhu, and I did add them in here. So these alcohol markers are currently on Prime Day deal for $12.79 for a 60 pack. I do have these markers, and these are absolutely great as well. However, I do love my Ohuhu, so if you want to spend a little extra money, definitely check out the Ohuhu. If you're looking to save your coin, save it where you can. But these Ohuhu markers are currently on Prime Day deal for $37.99. Alright, and that is all of my random craft supplies I think that you should definitely add to your craft space. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comments below. Again, I will have everything linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. If I have missed anything, let me know, or if there's something that you want me to look up, definitely let me know as well. This is, again, the last day of Prime Day deals, so score those deals as quick as you can. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!